Modal verbs. Let's look at the example. She dash play the piano beautifully. It is an ability of her. So for ability we use could. Could is used for ability or capacity. So answer is she could play the piano beautifully. Next, you dash try this restaurant. It's amazing. So it is an advice or recommendation. For this we use should. Should is used for obligation or duty, recommendation or advice. You should try this new restaurant. It's amazing. Next, I dash go to the beach if it was sunny. So it is showing an condition. For condition, it is would. For hypothetical situation or condition, we use would. I would go to the beach if it was sunny. You dash use my car if you need. It is an permission. For permission, we use could. Could is used for ability or capacity, permission or opportunity. Next is you dash always tell the truth. This is an moral obligation. For moral obligation, we use should. So should is used for obligation or duty, moral obligation. So you should always tell the truth. Next is dash you like to join us for the dinner. So it is an request. For request, we use would. Would, hypothetical situation, habit or repeated action, polite request or offer or assumption. So answer is would you like to join us for the dinner?